In this section, we will introduce Aquatic Blue, what it does, and where you can use it. Aquatic Blue is an Australian-made water dye that creates a vibrant blue colour throughout the water body. Aquatic Blue disperses uniformly throughout the water column, reducing light through the water and lowering water temperatures. By altering light intensity and distribution, it influences light-dependent processes, supporting more stable water body conditions. In addition to these functional effects, Aquatic Blue enhances the aesthetic appearance of ponds, dams, and other water features, and can be incorporated into routine water body management practices. Aquatic Blue has anti-foaming properties, which enables it to be used in fountains and water features. Aquatic Blue is a food-based dye and once diluted is safe for fish, aquatic plants and wildlife, pets, livestock, swimming, irrigation and potable water, and will not cause staining when diluted. Usage of Aquatic Blue is also safe for aquaculture and provides light reflection that benefits against predation. Aquatic Blue is safe for aquaculture and reduces predation, which is the process of an animal hunting and consuming another. Aquatic Blue works by reflecting light and limiting fish visibility, effectively protecting them in ponds, lakes, and aquaculture. In this section, we will calculate how much Aquatic Blue is required for your water body, how to apply it, and what to expect after using Aquatic Blue. First, you will need to calculate your approximate water body capacity. To do this, multiply the length, width, and average depth of your water body in meters. For dams and lakes, we recommend to use 2.5 litres of Aquatic Blue per 1 megalitre of water. For ponds, we recommend to use 7.5 millilitres of Aquatic Blue per 1,000 litres of water. For example, a dam that holds 500,000 litres of water requires 1.25 litres of Aquatic Blue. A garden pond that holds 2,000 litres of water requires 15 millilitres of Aquatic Blue. Before opening the product, ensure you are wearing appropriate PPE and clothing. Old clothing or coveralls, gloves and a face shield are recommended when measuring out your required product and when applying. For the fastest dispersal, dilute 1 part Aquatic Blue to 10 parts water and spray the solution evenly across the water's surface. For example, if you worked out that you need 1 litre of Aquatic Blue, dilute it with 10 litres of water. This will give you an Aquatic Blue mix of 11 litres. For quick application, but slower spread, undiluted Aquatic Blue can be poured around the edges of the water body. The prepared amount of Aquatic Blue should be applied on a calm, wind-free day to ensure adequate dispersion occurs. For the first application, we recommend using the minimum recommended amount to ensure light reflection is achieved. More Aquatic Blue can be added in order to achieve the desired colour in your water body. For the best results, apply Aquatic Blue in clearer water, as muddy conditions may reduce its visual impact. Aquatic Blue is ideal for use in non-chlorinated water, as chlorinated or salt-chlorinated water may cause a change in colour to a yellowish-brown tint. You should expect to see an observable difference in water colour within minutes. Full dispersion may take a few hours depending on the size of your water body. Without staining surfaces, plants, or animals, the rich blue colour affects the distribution of photosynthetically active light within the water column. Aquatic Blue is long-lasting and will provide you with coloured water for 4 to 6 months, depending on the water quality. It should be reapplied every 4 to 6 months to maintain your desired blue colour, otherwise the colour will naturally fade over time. Aquatic Blue transforms your water body with a vibrant blue colour. For more information on Aquatic Blue, you can visit our website aquatictechnologies.com.au.